Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved 26 question out of 75. We have already solved array, strings, two pointer, sliding window, prefix sum, hash map and set, stack and queues. Sorry, we haven't solved queues. So now we have to move toward the queue. The first question is number of recent call. Okay, so here is given a recent counter class which count the number of recent requests, okay, and which count only in a certain time frame. You have to implement the recent counter class. A recent counter class has been given where a recent counter initialize the counter with zero recent request. Okay, initially the request is zero and int ping is a function which contain t, which is a time, and contain time in a millisecond, and you have to and return the number of requests that happen. Return the number of requests that happen past 3000 milliseconds. Okay, so you have to return the output in a vector form, in a int form. So let's do this. uh, this is not working, so I first you have to create a queue. First you have to create first you have to define the queue, globally define the queue which is of int type queue, and then in a ping function you have to push q dot push t, and then create int low which is t minus 3000. Okay, and then create a while function where you have to check while q is not empty, and q dot front is less than low, then you just have to do q dot pop. Okay, else you have to return the q dot size. So I hope you understand. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted.